If you have Canva Pro and you are a small business owner or a small shop owner, say you have an Etsy store and you sell t-shirts and you create designs for those t-shirts and use Canva Pro to do that. Stick around because I'm going to go through the commercial licensing and what you can and cannot do with the images. And I'm going to do this really quickly, but give you all the details that you do need to know. So let's just get right into it. I already have my blank canvas open, and I'm going to make a Valentine's Day image. And you can see the crown means it's a pro image, not a free one. And when you hover over it, you're going to see the 3 dots. So just quickly do that. And you're going to see free for Canva Pro. But what you're really going to want to do is hit the I for information, and this will pull up all of the licensing info. Now you can see right here what exactly is allowed. So you can use this media safely in a Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial uses. So you can use this for your business. You can also use this in marketing or social media, or even sell merchandise with your design on it. So if you have that t-shirt shop, if you create a design in here, you can use it. What you can't do is resell, redistribute, or take credit for the standalone image. I'm going to go over this in more depth in just a second. And you also can't trademark the design. So don't do that. So say I have an Etsy shop where I sell t-shirts. And I love this image. I'm getting all my Valentine's Day stuff ready. And I download this, put it on a t-shirt, and start selling it on Etsy. I am going against the commercial licensing rules of Canva Pro. I cannot do that. I cannot sell this image on anything as a standalone. But what I can do is create my own unique design. I put this together just to save us time. So as you can see, I put some text, I flipped the mugs around, I added a couple more images, and you can also, look at their licensing as well. Good to go, right? And now this is my own unique image. So I can download this and put it on my t-shirt, sell it in my Etsy shop. It's perfectly good to go. So that's it. So easy. Not a whole lot to it, but I know it can be scary because obviously you don't want to get in trouble with copyright laws and all that. So easy peasy. That's it.